Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off Facebook notification. So to start, open the Facebook app, then tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then from here, scroll down to settings and privacy. So select that and from the options, select settings. Now from here, look for notifications. So it's under preferences. So if you see the notifications, tap on that. Then from here, select a notification category. You have comments, tags, friend requests, etc. So toggle allow notifications on Facebook off or customize how you receive them, like push, email, or SMS. So for example, comments. So let's click comments from here. Then let's toggle off push, SMS, or email. Then do this for the others. So, depending on your preference, you can also turn off all push notifications by going to your settings. Then, from here, scroll down to notifications. So, open that. Then, scroll down and select Facebook. Then, from here, you can turn off allow notifications. So, toggle it off just like so. And that's basically it.